aren't you? Okay, now this workout will keep right. Yeah.
Lately, you're twisting slowly, lost entirely, wonder at watching life unfolding simply all this time. Blinds us inside, we fight for smiles behind your pride forever. It doesn't know its boundaries together. We know love is all we need. Time stands still for us. There's not enough ways to show you're good enough. There was a time that I looked into your eyes and innocence. It kept your smile so very wide. No reason shed you care. I know the smallest bud will let it grow. Time stands still for us. There's not enough ways to show you're good enough. You need to know you're not what you are going through. There'll be enough hands to hold. Take control of you. You will know. You will know. Lately, I've seen you hiding. Don't be frightened.